This is video number 8. Here I'm going to make more comments about the factual nature of brain organ stimulation. The primary function of any brain, including the human brain, is to sense the absolute nature of the existence of the objects in physical reality. The brain has 5 sense organs extending from it. It is the total function of these 5 sense organs to know that the absolute nature of the existence of objects in physical reality does, in fact, exist. Sense organs cannot, and therefore do not, understand what the absolute nature of the existence of physical objects is. Instead, they only sensually know that it does exist. Said differently, sense organs cannot, and therefore do not, understand why a stimulation is occurring to and within them. They only automatically know that the stimulation is occurring. For the benefit of this presentation, acknowledge that at this point, it is possible that a brain's consciousness function is not yet aware that its sense organs do, in fact, know something. Therefore, it is not able to generate an image of that which is causing the stimulation to factually occur. Speaking from an intellectual perspective, it is proper to say that when a brain's consciousness function is able to make sense of what its sense organs know to exist, it uses the factual nature of the existence of those stimulations to generate an image of whatever it is that is responsible for causing those sensual stimulations to exist. Again, speaking from an intellectual perspective, this demands that the brain images are constructed from that which is understood to be the case, rather from that which is more simply sensually known to exist. Fact is that term of intelligence used to denote the existence of the automatically occurring sensual response between two objects when at least one of these objects is a brain. Fact does not explain what the interface is or what it consists of. It more simply denotes or stands in the place of the absolute nature of its factual existence. Note, knowing is strictly an automatically occurring brain function called sensual stimulation. Its purpose is continued survival. Understanding, on the other hand, is strictly a fact-driven mind function. Its purpose is intellectual happiness. Objects consist of an enormous number of physical characteristics. It is these physical characteristics that sense organs are automatically stimulated by. However, sense organs have a rather limited sensual range. They then are able to make sense of only a very small subset of the enormous number of physical characteristics available to them. It is this subset of characteristics that is electrochemically transmitted by nerves into the brain for further processing by its consciousness function. Intellectually, then, brain images are conscious evidence of fact. To the human brain's mind function, brain images consist of the facts necessary for it to conceptualize or to purposefully create human intelligence.